Na obi a ufi efia eyemudie e ba na prison life them like a bad gang.
Yes, I met them at hotel.
Nti eden na namoye.
I told you when they were criminals, they were almost boosters.
Oh, okay.
That's what they do. But na misu my discuss me nko abuchi na mabeshe hotel. Na misu scan crash.
Oh, we scan beshe hotel.
We scan beshe hotel. We go tonight, they go out with me tonight and sit there. So when we sit there, they go out and come. We are together, but not knowing if they leave me and go, they went and break store and come me. So I don't know. I came back house and I stole my father's gun. That time my father was having gun here.
Oh, okay.
So I stole my father's gun with no bullets. Yes.
No bullet in it?
Yes. Me we are two no fear. Then we man bullet in him.
Okay.
So start to now make it an. And if anything they want to do something, they invite me because they say I have gun. Not knowing that gun don't have bullets. For some months, at least roughly like 7 months, and I was arrested. So Brighton, it was Kofi Boachi arrested me. By that it was
Kofi Boachi.
Yes, he was the commander by then.
Okay.
And Brighton was the crime officer. But I was arrested direct by Nana Opon. I didn't tell me to prison when I was following these boys. But then I have a room at Plateau.
Okay.
So I was going to Plateau. When we reach Atimota, I said, let me park and go to the ghetto and see. By then I smoke very well.
Oh, okay.
So let me go to the ghetto and see if so when I went to the ghetto, there is a guy there, which I think he worked with the Ghana police, as I do now. So he immediately called the police. So when they come and arrested me at Achimota. I'm confessing justice Enim Yeboah.
Okay, Enim Yeboah.
Yes, Enim Yeboah, the late Enim Yeboah.
Yeah.
Yes, he was the judge. And then I faced 7 judges.
7 judges?
Yes.
Case
it's about Tema case. We went to Tema for it was a guy who called me. I have a master who called me. That Ziggy, where are you? I say, he say, is your gun there? I say yes. He say come. So I came and he said there is a guy who brought his father.
He brought his own father?
Yes, that's why we should come. So this one is not any case because it is his own father. So I should come. I can't say he wanted us to go and take his father. So I asked my boss, will he be among? He said yes. So we went together with him.
With the man's son?
Yes. He was in the car. We all went together. Yes. We have Nima group.
Ashama.
Yes. Nima group, Ashama group, Medina group. All the areas have their own groups and where they sit. And everything, only where they sit, they talk about bad life.
So almost planning for prison right now.
They will not plan to escape. By his planning, when he come out, he's going to do more things.
About too much GH. I had now pass Sembia, BBA, BCBA, no yen, bet me a mount chemu ye. Now a reason, yes, a sembi sap for a BS for B. And internet name my baby and mother bone comokakra. Now, you pay a mother born home come or you're very extraordinary. Rebecca say, beginning or not a bad, but ne, or be an inspiration to the youth. The person would see us some we be. Now, would see be a now once war far boom. Na sebi wo hu sene abrabɔ ko mitwa me ho na masama ba kwaba be da se matwen na matwen ena me ni ohene bi na odi asempa what di no yesanso fa ni zigi oba beka fadama obo zigi a no bia ni ba de ho aka na ena me ni ba betwen komo na bisa se wo ye kra ni zigi eja me mo kwaba okay.
First of all, Mr. Chief Imam.
Okay.
Mr. Ghana President.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. President Mama. And Sanami Chia the Ahimfuna.
Okay.
Nana think crunching. Akrompo hene Nana Michiao IGP. Mr. Wanu DCOP Asare, Michiamo Anopawi, Misanchia Lord Komi, Captain Koda, Michiamo na.
Okay.
Nana upon Mirefuye. Nana upon Mirefuye. This is Michiao.
Okay.
Napoman na continue.
Okay. Tipacho, ye kase. Nano di asempa. Ana zigi, anwani zigi.
Zigi nyamia na mitina ono. Yes.
Ba hwani zigi me pa say ufi hin na oba ye wo he fa
ye wo me New Town.
Okay.
Ye wo me New Town Vic maternity.
Oh, okay. Okay.
As an papa be see fi.
Okay.
Na every new time betina. Me go school or Harrow.
Oh, Harrow International.
Harrow International.
Oh, okay.
Me go school on.
Okay.
I me be show we me call Kufodo Sectec for 2 years.
Oh, okay.
Temi Kufodo Sectec na e ba interzones. E ba interzones na be share Harvard. So I cried to my father say person ko Harvard. So
why do you want to go to Harvard?
Say I dey no, I no body no. I prefer to go there. So me see me go school biom. So that I was very lovely to my father.
Oh, okay.
To me papa say me ko dia infant me ko na me see me ko Harvard no go to Harvard.
Oh, okay.
To me ko school
Harvard near war say o course cycle put baby on. Okay. Me pacho o background to say o ka papa so go school which means say o background no enye background from your background kakra ho yen ko mu kakra o papa saying na ebusuanete.
Oh, now my papa he was a very rich man.
Oh, okay.
Very, very, very rich, and he was a popular too. The whole Zabrama for more Accra. My papa now chairman.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Into papa tiasi.
Yeah, then papa.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Then papa friend Alaji Bumbo.
Alaji Bumbo.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Obe unu na mi no. Obe unu na mi wa prison.
Oh, asema na kan say na prison.
Asana papa wu.
Na obi a wo fi efi a eye mu de e ba ne say na prison life ba mo.
Emre bi na me force me papa say pese me kwa abroad.
Okay.
Pese me force me papa say me kwa abroad. Ntim papa kwa G pass we Niger passport every Niger every say me fan ko. Nti oya bibia ma wodi visa bibia ma me no. Manko na me ko show hotel true to bad life.
Oh, okay.
Na me ko show hotel
with your friends.
Yes, with I went there alone, but I went to meet bad friends there.
Okay.
That's why things change. That's where things change. And I came and fall into another life, which is bad life.
Like a bad gang.
Yes, I met them at hotel.
Inti edian na namo ye.
I told you they were criminals. They were omomo stores.
Oh, okay.
That's what they do. But na misu my miskase me kwa buchi na mabeshe hotel. Na misu skaka crash.
Oh, what is scanning beshe hotel?
The scanning beshe hotel. Tina scanner no one na me di misu mi di current hotel no one da me di koba na me yes na scanner beshe tina me di misu Mr. Tiomuchi.
Na say una catch up papa say na person kwa buchi. Inti ade na your mom scan one ko.
Only God knows why. You see, sometimes niaba bi sisanya wopem nyame na nyame ahye bibia wana akwan.
Okay.
Nti se nyame say de obey bia enye yi but so say be yi but first ni enim. But ye be wu the Bible and the Quran so no niama bi wo. Yes, bia nyame kwan.
Okay. Tipacho okọ ho no okọ hu na fofo no. Sign started here who said that's what they were doing.
When I met them, there's a club at Adabraka Old Timers.
Yeah, minimal timers.
So that's where anytime we go tonight, they go out with me tonight and sit there. So when we sit there, they go out and come. We are together, but not knowing if they leave me and go, they went and break store and come me. So I don't know. But I was with him.
Okay.
I was with them.
Yeah.
Yes. That is school that there Ochiwa, Muhammad Aterishi and co.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I met them at the hotel. So when my money finished, I leave where I live, the room I live, I left there to the Muhammad Aterishi. I went to live with him in the hotel. So when we go out, they do everything for me. After my money finished, I went and sell my passport at Nima and other things. So when my money got finished, when they go, I joined them. Before they go, they say, is that thing we are going to that? So let's go, we go, I stand there, they do whatever. At beginning, I stand and wait for them, but later I follow them.
Oh, okay, to do what they were doing?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Inti ebane saying na ukowe prison?
Yes, I didn't tell me ukowe prison. When I was following these boys, I was following them, I got to know friends later. Okay. Another friends with them.
Like a different gang?
Yes, they were also the same gang, but they were also different.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not the people that I was in the hotel with them. It was some different people. Those are the people I joined. So one day I was there when they called me that Ivy, where are you? I said, I'm at. They said, oh, that time when we started doing those things, I came I came back house and I stole my father's gun. That time my father was having gun here.
Oh, okay.
So I stole my father's gun without no bullets. Yes.
No bullet in it?
Yes. Me we are two no fear. Then we man na bullet in it.
Okay.
So start to na make it an. And if anything they want to do something, they invite me because they say I have gun. Not knowing that gun don't have bullets.
Until now, no.
I just used to.
What do you mean,
Yes.
Wow. And for how long now, Sadi will call so like?
Oh, me, I did not enter into those life for even 1 year.
Okay, months.
Yes. Yeah. For even 1 year, I entered for some months, at least roughly like 7 months, and I was arrested. So, Brighton Drew, it was Kofi Boachi arrested me. By that it was
Kofi Boachi.
Yes, he was the commander by then.
Okay.
And Brighton Drew was the crime officer. But I was arrested direct by Nana Opon. Nana Opon.
Yeah.
He's the national coordinator now. National security coordinator.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, he's the one who arrested me live like this.
So
yes.
But you're saying about Fayekum Kakra.
Yes, I went to Achimota. Achimota. So when I went to I was going to, but then I have a room at Plateau.
Okay.
So I was going to Plateau. When we reached Achimota, I said, let me pack and go to the ghetto and see. By then I smoke very well.
Oh, okay.
So let me go to the ghetto and see if. So when I went to the ghetto, there is a guy there, who I think he worked with the Ghana police, as I do now. So he immediately called the police. So when they come and arrested me at Achimota.
Oh, okay.
That's where I was arrested.
When
they arrested me, they take me to Numa police station. No, they take me to Kanishin police station. But after it was not the tortured who killed him. Because when they wanted to arrest him, he jumped into a house.
Oh, okay.
The bulldogs over there.
They
fighting before he was arrested.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah, they took me to court.
How many times? Tell us about the court.
I'm the court. I'm the confessed justice Enimi Abua.
Okay, Enimi Abua.
Yes, Enimi Abua, the late Enimi Abua. Yes, he was the judge. And then I faced 7 judges.
7 judges?
Yes. Aite, Bafoboni. Bafoboni, when we got to him, when you go through the case, he said this case is not directed to him. It's directed to Mr. Aite. So they should take it to court, to Mr. Aite. So they directed to Mr. Aite.
Okay.
And that's where he also go through the cases, and then he reminded us for some years. So when we were there later, we went to, it was Chasquist.
Okay.
Just Chasquist. He's the one who released me.
So you were on remand. Were you sentenced? You're sentenced.
I was not sentenced. I was in remand.
Remand. Okay. Yes. For how many years?
I was in remand for 8 years, 7 months, 13 days.
Adena lawyer na hunya na say so be cancel na.
Yes, but me for lawyer da.
Okay.
Because I was asking myself that this thing I'm innocent. So how can I take a lawyer for a crime I did not committed?
But were you innocent? It's also common.
Yes, which is the case that they were. Yes.
Okay.
You know why sometimes I say I'm innocent. People don't understand. In life, I don't know what I'm doing. It is something I fall in.
Okay.
So if I know particular this is what I'm going to do, that I'm not innocent. But if I don't know what I'm doing, yes, because that's not my life. I just fall in it. So I'm innocent in all whatever. I'm innocent in my life.
In your life.
Yes.
But you have to be responsible for your life.
Yes. You understand me?
Okay.
So it's true. Mr. Jatin, I was among. I will not lie.
Okay.
Because Jatin was among.
Okay.
That's Mr. Jass's son.
Okay.
We are all together.
Oh, police in the son and answer.
No, the complainant's son.
But
the complainant.
Okay, case Nedian. Case Nedian.
It's about Tema case. We went to Tema for it was a guy who called me. I have a master who called me. That Ziggy, where are you? I say, he say, is your gun there? I say yes. He say come. So I came and he said, there is a guy who brought his father.
He brought his own father?
Yes, that's who we should come. So this one is not any case because it is his own father. So I should come. I can't say he wanted us to go and take his father. So I asked my boss, will he be among? He said yes. So we went together with him.
With the man's son?
Yes. He was in the car. We all went together. Yes.
Wow. Did some plan and
nothing happened.
Oh, so that was the case at Doko Court?
Yes, that was the case. But I was discharged.
Oh, okay.
Prison
life. Yeah, tete. Yes, be more gay.
Yeah, very serious.
But young prison life. How is prison life like? First day at prison, send it here.
I don't want to pray for anybody or any of your love to go to prison.
Okay.
Because prison is not a reform place. Prison is made for those stupid people, not people's like me. Oh yeah, true. Because sometimes prison life, they do everything. They do gay, they do everything.
Wow.
Yes.
It's in here,
they do gay, they do everything. They do everything. Prison, their life be our or we be our prison. Everything is in prison.
No one
sometimes prison officers in the bar. Yes, that's why in any society you have bad people. That's why I always tell you, in police, in everything we had bad people. You understand me? Also, they are the bad people among the prison officers. So they bring you to the prisons and take their money.
Wow.
Yeah.
Na okomuno aduane die mu say na tie nda.
I don't know now, but by then when I was there, it was very. It's not even good for a woman being to eat that.
Aduane be na namudi.
This thing we bean soup.
Bean soup.
Yes. Omi yen so share ni bebre. No man yamoko. No mu da bugum. Lo with the bob beans powder na gum. No man. No mu din china gum. No ma be chiche. One spoon.
Next time so.
Yes, but
you need to survive.
Yeah, because on be mau and upon be mau cocoa 1 spoon. We are not with the gali so about 1 konko. That meal konko.
So yeah, maho.
Enu ba kon. Now ma sama banku 1 ball. That's the food I'm eating.
The whole day, that's what you eat every day.
Yes.
Into your fan say obitimi the aduane fi abontembrel.
Yeah, it's allowed. You go to visit, they will check and send them, they will give it to you. Okay.
Now, but no gang go
plenty gangs.
I don't know where.
You see, you have Nima group,
Ashama.
Yes, Nima group, Ashama group, Medina group. All the areas have their own groups and where they sit, and everything. Only where they sit, they talk about bad life.
Say almost planning for prison right now.
They will not plan to escape, but he's planning when he come out, he's going to do more things.
Say OPR or kwakwa ebon na say a reform place na
that be ubako so ubako no ko backyard you for backyard obesay because we because share me say no everybody want to big up himself. You understand me? So akwala ko they story me be am story says it's almost prison 50 years. Kofi afọ akwa
but was an FM you the film Kofi afọ
boy you say Kofi afọ akwa any yaw afọ akwa. Oh okay. Yes, Kofi afọ akwa any yaw afọ akwa mo prison since here
50 years.
Yeah, they gave them 50. They were very good boys. Boys. They were brothers, one mother, one father. Kofi afọ akwa, but they were all sentenced to 50 years. Why? Because the Kofi afọ akwa came to prison, but the stories or call backyard and someone who can SN, so he also went out and took his brother and joined the same. He also started back, robbery, and he was arrested and he was given 50 years.
And the like Ofi prison or what?
Yes, he came for 6 months.
Oh, okay.
But true stories. True stories. Niyama ekaka oti no. Bad boys na ushemu na omu kaka omuti no. True eno no so oba no no start here.
Oh, okay.
So until me see uma uba prison na how
what say no
se skabia cry be force na umbra but na advice no.
Okay.
But prison there me man no prison because stories were prison cry be ma bebre anything bebre they came out to be a bad people. Ebi onisa wo ebi assault bi ana bibi na no prison ana ebi man of stealing. You see you went out later you come to turn to big arm robber. Because they will be the stories that will be hearing in the prison that will make him 10 things upside down.
Okay. So how did you come out from prison?
I was discharged.
By who?
Justice Enemy Abua.
Okoba no who say enye no kre.
No, when they file motion, my partners file motion, which is the man, the complainant himself filed motion for his son.
Okay. Not so Unibani film.
Yes. From the beginning of person Unibani film, but it's not allowed. But later, Niyama be in Semba make a catch no. Into so them say no. Said yes, he's try to person into filing motion Unibani film.
Unibani do appear.
until filing motion ni ban free or filing motion anya ni ban many of us microphobic free but me filing motion for speed trial.
That's what you're saying.
Motion for speed trial.
So yes,
I want my case to be tried. I was in prison for long and me person so I'm trying to see what will happen.
Okay.
If the government will see me or whatever. So.
Yeah, but say prosecutors no. Ebi omo delay as one kwa no me jailing kofo. Obi no maka say akase you are guilty. Ebi so no you guilty.
So if they tell you if you enter into prison, nobody can change your mind because prison they will instead be able to ask what is your case. They know that they no cases. Only the other catch yourself county say who ban prosecutor catch baby they will not allow you. Because they will start teaching
the prison people.
Yeah. Some people are like lawyers there.
Really?
Yeah, they know. So they will teach them, don't do this, say this. They so the assistant people there.
Okay, so what's spending 8 years?
Yeah, 7 months, 13 days.
Or remand.
Yes,
remand prison.
Yes, please.
And then who will say you could be order?
Prison?
Yeah.
Not at all. This will be but me so much prison.
Yeah, because I tell you, say been quite me chuku bi no.
Dabi prison yanku nipa. This say obi awo. Ye say obi awo na suspect. We say among people every time there is some things. Or better obi better make say oh we cry we na kum we poison we ni and say we but me I don't believe in that. What I say, omo say we no okoye konkosa na we mu poison because it me case partners.
Okay.
Case partners na bia na maybe I mean we need a case partner we try yet we can plan because this man can quarry so they plan to kill the third party.
Yeah,
that's what sometimes they do.
Okay, but me sure one sir I never be good sir me who I say ahemfo but so you on hene
yeah me on hene
but you
West Transaco that
area
yes.
Then I'm for hene
me one day na Accra for pinning or him that was he was the before this government chair was appointed he was the acting.
Oh okay.
The acting he do everything for Ghana. He was the acting chief of Ghana.
Yeah.
Yes.
John O'Farrell.
Yes.
No, or say opposite.
So I was there when he called me. Though he always I have a senior man that because I work with the chiefs. I work with the chiefs. I work with Nana Otin Crunch. All the chiefs in Accra. I'm free with everybody.
Okay.
So when they came down, everybody was trying to tell me, I appointed you out there. So he said, so these Nungwa people came to him that they wanted to appoint some people to assess. They say, I have a boy. If only they need assistant in peace, he will call me to. So he called me to them. So when I came and they say, he told me that these people, I want these people to appoint you as Asafache.
Asafache.
Yes, I want this people to appoint you as Asafache to assist them.
Assist them in what?
In much. Sometimes we, as you know, we are with Ghana Police Service. Sometimes they brought people. Some people come and encroach without no document. They come with strong guns and
yeah. Okay, into now share.
But me, if I come there, the best thing is we have police. That's why we have the law. So me, I will assist with Ghana Police.
Oh, okay. Yes. So that cases, the land court cases. Okay.
Until
now, yes. Now let's talk about outside prison.
When I came, I was with Ghana Police, but I was with
Ghana Police as what?
As intelligent.
Oh, okay, informant.
Intelligent.
Uganda intelligence. But
when I came out from prison, I have a master by name. I don't want to mention his name.
Okay.
When I came for, he said, Ziggy. I said yes. He said, there is something I want you to know because now they do something. They call something informant. So they have been arresting people. So I want you to go and know the police commanders so that they know you. So that those bad life, they know that you are not.
Yeah.
You are not
part of it.
You are not part of those bad lives again. So he quickly called guys. They took me to Mr. Ewanu. That is now the deputy IGP.
Oh, okay.
They took to Mr. Ewanu, and Mr. Ewanu took me to Mr. Paul Tewiakwe.
Yeah, Tewiakwe.
He was the IGP.
Yeah, I
went
remember.
to him and we sat down, and they introduced the business to me. This is the business. This is what you do. And do. I said okay. So they introduced me to Rosatinga. He called Rosatinga by then, and we sit down. They introduced me, and they gave me money. By then I came out with nothing. So they gave me money, and I came to start 1-to-1 with it.
The business aspect.
1-to-1. So that's where I started.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Now, if I be multimedia or past life, no, because I didn't know if I or be a confronted.
Nobody. Why? Because if I did not say, you never know. Because the way I live. Say me. So who you pen for me to work police station.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the way. First, me chijiska. First, me chiwa. Mejiska or me chiwa.
What chili panifiska?
Me chiwa physical. No police. Oh, if my friend said Mr. Wanu is alive.
Yeah.
Nana Pon is alive.
Yeah.
Nana Pon is the striker by then. He arrested that man. He arrested all the ex-convicts. Those Atayi, whoever is the one who arrested everybody.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Your friend said
Nana Pon.
Okay.
He's the national security coordinator now.
Okay.
He's a very strong man. Very, very strong. Yes.
Okay. Inti since I find say baby away you say most of the youth no school omonko wi. Who project be what design say I want to do this for the youth.
Yes. I've decided to do more things. But it's now that I can show you have the document.
Okay.
I worked with somebody and he gave me part of his 506 acres and he gave me part 50 acres of myself.
Wow.
This is my documents.
Okay.
This is a memorandum of understanding.
Okay.
I have 50 acres of myself.
Okay.
And I have decided to do something.
But I did na person e bia no beat you bro ni be create you.
Yes.
Person boa because your story no inspiration. E dey na person your man.
Yes, I want to make farming.
Okay.
Yes. I want to make farming.
Okay, for the youth.
Yeah, that's why I made my mind. But if I have the more amount to do it, then I'll do school.
Okay.
I'll build the school.
Okay.
Yeah. That's my dream.
Okay. But on starting no in your own small way, when you said the youth respect you a lot. At the end of now most of them won't go back into this life.
I have I'm a tree standing.
Yeah, I know. But a tree, no, yeah.
I'll give you. I'm a tree standing. So if right now I need about 30 boys from Ashama right now, Medina from Ashama right now, Nima from Ashama right now. Anywhere I need boys, I just call, I'll get that boys from 30. So I'm a tree standing. I have the route are plenty. So you say somebody asks me, you come and sit on the TV and be saying, so how can you get somebody to arrest her? I say, my route, I have plenty. I have more pictures of more people.
Okay, to use them as lines to get.
I have more people.
Okay.
Even I have women, I have girls who work for me, I have boys who work under me.
You have women?
Yes, women who work under me.
Girls,
yes, they work under me. They take informations to me.
Wow.
Yeah, they say you are a bad person. I'll just send her to go and meet you. So she'll be with you and I have your informations.
Wow.
I can have your pictures, I can have your stories.
Okay.
Yeah.
Into your father say you are a father, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so am I.
Yeah, 5.
Oh, my 5.
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. 2.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Into your father say you came from a very rich background.
Yeah.
Parenting, na Emma akwalanya sana said yeah. Send you better to one answer there.
Daddy, and yes, sir.
Yeah.
It depends upon your life.
You yourself.
Yes, and the friend you joined. Ubetu wasa ubano akwalapa. But if you no join some life. Friends no be kokashama bontinu. That makes him go into different life.
Oh, okay.
Yes, wako share. Let me count him as
Matthias here.
Yeah, wako share bad friends. You are that about your father don't let you go out. You before enjoying them to go and do whatever enjoyment they enjoy. So through them you can turn to different things. Yes.
No a bad person. Into parents no idea na say to me na your parents
sometimes frianeko fifie ni amane parents oyesa na onya nipa ompe ne ba
like abuafo si fifie ko
no wachi ni bagba obubu no ubu na obepia ko eni na edit sa ni amane ba ne nkwala yesi until you have to talk to him ubayo boni fani tuno membo no fani kasa. Let him understand what you want. Let him understand. Show him the difference. But don't beat him. Sack him from house. Upam no kope. Last minute we didn't know the beko.
You tell me bisa no ye kwan bi a ofam na ye who you are. Do you regret your past? Wachi like
very well.
I don't think I regret because be her and can master sanke na wonye
masa like now I'm a big man.
What do you regret most? All
the life I passed through, I regretted for being into those life. For what? Sometimes I'm even ashamed. Sometimes those people I know them for long, where those things happen, they did not meet me. If I meet them, I became ashamed that this guy. So, but you don't know what I mean now. You don't know who I am now. Maybe you may think I'm in the past life. Now I am a failure. Sometimes people want me dodgy or more.
Oh, okay. Into your past life, how?
Very well.
I don't know, Utu a mebuno for
very well.
Because Obisu as a hero, and some now can Obi or say, wow, and why you're winning an assassin. What I say?
You know something?
Yeah.
The day I met now, I'm a let's take it, I'm a ghetto leader. Because all ghetto, I know all ghetto. No ghetto in Accra, I don't know. And I go every ghetto. Sometimes to me, continue ghetto people, no be more generation with your Pekasa. It's not like that.
Yeah.
Sit down and advise.
Yeah.
Even this Sunday, I was with some group at La Paz. When we were talking, I was advising them. So there is a policeman. I think the policeman too is a pastor. So he came around. So sometimes he came there to advise us. When he came and meet me talking, he said, who is this? He said, who am I? So I told him, if like they had some people like me in the youth, like it will be okay. Because he came and stand there for almost 30-40 minutes hearing me what the advice I'm advising.
Yeah, and see, I'm funny say, projects kabeti me say ghetto youth mama you must family sana I'm among the ghetto youth collaboration with Nana. Oh, okay, Nanado.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Ghetto youth collaboration of Nana. I'm among.
Okay, but young penny phone, how they feel Ghana? How do they feel Ghana?
Sometimes we say Senyamane konenye sana etsenko.
Saying that
because ghetto youth no mo hwe. Apart from Honorable Buama, I still say again, that man, if the whole MPs in Accra will be like Honorable Buama, like nobody will even look at somebody at the back.
Okay.
And you know, some people Obi say me bati vision be ka Honorable Buama say me that means I go to him to take money. No, I don't go to Honorable Buama to take money. No, not at all. I don't do that. I don't beg. I can't beg him. Honorable Buama give me money. Never at all. I can't do that. Say me sorry when me fear. Never call Honorable Buama. Say Honorable Buama. Me patcho me buy a rim. Me scan. No. Then I'm going to do my door as myself. Except me, I mean pen to her. And yes, I me code was say mommy. Except me, I mean pay scan to her. I mean cost Robbie. So, but he's doing for the youth. He's doing for my brothers. He's doing for people I've been seeing. No youth in Abeka Fadama. La Paz, you say about Buama and he will tell you something. No. He go direct. He's a very good man. Okay. So we appreciate him very well and we thank him what he's doing for us. And he have to do more for the people. He have been doing for our mothers. I've been seeing a lot. I've been hearing a lot. Yes. That's the same. No me yet say Buama ye. Na so diembra.
That's the same. I know. Kofo omo ye mpanifo obeyom, right?
Yeah.
And now also only problems are get to for any film. A dear now, or catch him penny for
you catch him.
Yes,
our ghetto boys are suffering.
No, a dear now, among not get to any son, and they should feel alright now. Get to crank and come in person, get better beam. A dear now, for said they should do. They are not doing right. I will and come by.
Never be the promises they have promised us. Who say, so we are president, get to be is a group, Say, and couple group be to be taught. This your friend is saying Aboboya for Emma group bia samuye and kairu de ejuma obi yare de behwe no obi awa e be scan e be ni hwe that means you have been helping the ghetto but we kasa na we connecting as me we ba no am 20 Ghana 30 Ghana you think that 30 Ghana that is why I like that man Kennedy I like him too much me I'm not a politician. I don't do politics but I swear if that man will be the president I'll vote for him.
So you want him to win?
Yes.
Why?
Very honest man.
That's a Akufo-Addo banana or Kasabe.
But Akufo-Addo is not like that. It can.
How?
Because me, I know Ken very well, and I know what he can do, and I know the heart he has. Yes. To
change Ben now for second. So about the
Ken.
Yeah.
Baby. I yet get you to know he will. You won't cheat. Sesame. You won't cheat. See.
Okay. Yes. Like so, Kaimo.
Yes. Yeah. He was with Ken. He's also a ghetto man. because he feels sympathy or yeah adema ghettos baby anye president na anye any politician we na or no or yeah ma ghettos or to me bad ghetto or to me nyama baby asema make no ghettos we okra what tomoto achom. Yes, he has been doing on wa be president, then we will be okay. It means on back I'm not a politician but on ba politics.
Wow.
Because I follow him.
Interesting. Let me say, come on, I heard it.
It's a very It's a very straight man. I like him. He's straight, direct person.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I any person who come dinner, we can say, we come dinner into the president. No. It's
some people baby, I say baby, come on, some pesca.
Oh, yeah. So, that's sometimes you have to see the background of the person.
Yeah.
And then how the person talks sometimes. You see, Keke is a direct person. I like him too much. He's very bold. Yes. He's like me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Only to buy
like him. Yes. Very bold. Then you talk through.
And that's why we bring. So why we bring? Tell us about
all of who can Bapen and who all the children say 30 something. Everybody have his own company. Everybody's okay.
Yeah.
And yet the baby come dinner. Be other president in the shining but they are all okay. Obia you go they go wherever they want and everybody have his own company. So what is the problem?
And so how are you training your kids? Looking at your back, your past, you know. Then now the way I will tell my son, I will tell them now fast alive.
Very well. I talk to them. I send them to school, but nipa ubetini bina kasad na ebia the baby spirit in no. That's where he's heading towards. That is why me juma mo bi no chema sasaminton. Until that no be catch na be catch us say you feel 11. And yes, because I have
11.
Yes, but I'm not saying I have completed 11 houses.
But you have properties.
It's a single room. Yacha wall. I can't do 11 because all those things I leave it for my children. I want all my children. Me, I don't want any of my child to be 18 years in Accra.
Oh no,
I want them to pull order into me. Yes, yes, or abrochino ko bad boy. I like it. See, maza, one braba my family abomidi. Say me baby list mistake there. Me didn't even say sorry.
Okay.
Everybody know me as a creative person, right? But say me baby ko bad boy because oh, kai we ni papa puna afena ni ko first start kai baby. You understand me? So that's my plan now. As I'm sitting now, the na me da say on na seni na na meton a omu na be ko. I'll do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I want them to all to go. All yes. So upo dia bochi dia be bia ba unya wagana be ka say now we ba o dabi we ba ne dey see that. Never. I'll never do that.
Okay, nti wa hensem as Ziggy. A hensem no. We say ohini bia no all project on anim.
Yes.
Eba a hensem na o project ni say na o then now na say you remember you as a chief. I say I remember you as Ziggy as a person. Now as a chief, say na say you kayo.
One says see me do what baby apple from now.
Yeah.
Because baby apple
Ziggy.
Baby
as on him no. And then now o be ya you be kai say Ziggy your hen na say ni see. Yes, that's what I'm okay. On it now. Say me womu. So time to come in. Oh, time to come in. I'm still on it. What I say? Say the me and say every area of the corner I need be say from Grekusu Ekono or hindi be up to Dewu Eko we a friend say Manfin we Okropon we Sao Hinfona. I know everybody. I'm with everybody. Everybody know me. I enter there to assist everybody. Say Nana Okropon na so be first assist
yes, I assist them in maybe in Obiabisi or
let me hear
I assisted them. I go there to make peace. I go there to retrieve your land. So all those places you mention my name, they know I'm a can say they don't know because they invited me to assist.
Okay.
So I assist everybody. So that's where I'm doing anywhere just to calm the name down. And I know everybody don't know me. Plenty no know me as Adia Santa.
Okay. And meeting and person a deal piano.
Yes.
Because a deal say people know you by a certain life.
Yeah.
But I himself no and no inspiration to Obi.
Yes.
Obi I said no so mo say hey papa to me I dey meet me be. Now me person wo hwe camera nanim. Na utu emabunufo say ewiase e de no mo so meye na omo nko life na wo ko mu ni bi but say be omo inspiration to somebody in future
so we ase a de wo mu ni sa wo beto mu ase bibia kwan pa e wo ho bibia obebia nyankopon say mmiri so nyankopon be ya ma but say wo pri ho a at the end we can you be a stupid person or a foolish person at the end. I know people who have been in prison now and suffering being concomba. Then you say ebia my cop prison about the end. You should bet me a cop prison about it. Ebia who cover and I'll be who cover who turn to useless. Ebia never but men penny my own phone who sharp brabo. The old man who papa country tea and the bed be here then. I do the sick papa dear papa Usubenya good name because the good name is better than the riches. Who was pim who just can cry a stupid person. That's why sometimes many Mr. Wanu ye bon come on. The when I came out the robbery was deep. I say Mr. Wanu say this is what the people are saying. They say almost say omubamu robbery nobody scanner keep scanner. Ye china no I then. No what p no asabe ye. Until ye chiwa you have to kill you. Ye chew your kuwas can we out to knock us into yes how many of you so they started killing a woman's an human right for by say a woman right to marry no more.
Oh, they killed them?
Yeah, more a lot by then
at the prison.
Yes, no outside. Wow. Yes, if you come outside you are ex-convict, you rob, we kill you.
Yes. So that you won't go back.
Yeah, because you recruit the people and then you still go into robbing because you said you have money and you go to prison, you come out. So you then it's kind of weird to not conceive it. That's all.
Onyene odi asempa zigi etiefo me de interview na me de pa ne say obi asebe na na chinye na brabo nye ofifie papa mo nanso enafo semunti fe ba bi okowie ma enkoti bi anim ansa na waye te se ne ote ene no. Let's learn to be patient. Now we are patient, the sky will be your limit. I to my GH. Won't subscribe, subscribe. But I don't know, not share to Mobi. Your friend Kofi Afakwa. Manuesi, bye bye.